I think the benefits are that I have more understanding of the condition. I feel more in control of it. I think that at least there's some research happening that may have a positive effect for myself and others in the future. My name's Gail Russell. I've been left with tinnitus as a result of a virus, and I also have some balance problems as a result of labyrinthitis. I became involved in the first place because there seemed to me to be very little around about tinnitus. I'd done research on the internet, I'd contacted the British Tinnitus Association, I'd done all that, been to my doctors, and there just didn't seem to be anything else around. The way I became involved was quite funny really. I was watching the One Show and Christine Blakely, or whatever her name is, was talking about a trial that was about tinnitus. My mobile phone then erupted, and all my colleagues and friends that were watching the same programme were sending me text telling me about it. So that evening I pursued this research on the internet until I found the name of the person that was conducting it, and I then emailed them. As a patient, I was issued with a laptop, headphones, a timer, and I had to listen to various buzzing sounds and beeping sounds for 20 sessions spread out over a month. And that was it really. When I first became involved, I was a little anxious, concerned as to what it would involve, really hopeful that there'd be something that would help because I found it quite frustrating. I think it was very interesting. I got very, very interested in the process. And I had to rein myself back from asking too many questions, I think, of the researchers, because I wanted to know what was happening and what the results were before they could really tell me as a participant. I don't know if I individually have made much difference, but I would hope that with the numbers of participants taking part, that at the very least there's some information, there's some data to take the research forward. I wouldn't be able to assess my own individual contribution, but I would hope with all those individuals contributing, something would be better, something would happen. The support, I think, has been really good. I was given lots of information before I started so that I was informed right at the outset, and was given opportunities to either participate or not participate. And as we've gone along, I've felt included in the research. I've felt very much cared for and valued. I've really enjoyed it. To patients that are thinking of getting involved, I would say just do it. It's very interesting, you'll get a lot out of it, and at the very least, there's some research going on that may help yourself and others.